Hello world, good morning. Today we have a very important idea to discuss, especially for entrepreneurs, which is all about knowing when to pivot. Because sometimes as entrepreneurs, this is the most important decision we can make for our businesses and for our lives. Entrepreneurial ventures are always a kind of experiment, and we should always be analyzing the data, seeing how things are going. And while there is a value to grit and resilience, you want to match your resilience with being smart about the direction you're going with your entrepreneurial venture. And I have to say and announce at this moment that this has become one of those pivotal moments for me, recognizing where I've been going in my work as a leadership coach for entrepreneurs. I've learned so much about both leadership and entrepreneurialism, seeing what even from this podcast and YouTube show has generated the most interest. And it's given me ideas for where to take my business next. So part of the big announcement is that this will be the last episode officially of the Founders and Innovators Morning Show, but you will see me again doing podcasts and probably YouTube. I'm already in the works to take some of the ideas that we've started to develop on this show and figure out how to give it a new angle that seems to address both viewers' interests as well as my own interests. And then also just some other really fascinating entrepreneurial projects that have been sparked by all the fascinating discussions I've had with people through this podcast, through my coaching experience, and figuring out how to take what I know about leadership and coaching and entrepreneurialism and actually make that big impact on the global causes that matter most to me. So I want to take this moment to thank you, all of you who've watched this show, listened to the podcast, gone along on this journey and adventure for me. Stay tuned for June. That's when I'm expecting the announcement for the next phase of my podcast and entrepreneurial life and journey. And I look forward to seeing you all for the next phase. Bye for now, everybody. Thanks for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe, review, and share this show. If you'd like exclusive content and behind-the-scenes insight, for just $4 a month, you can support us at buymeacoffee.com. Now, go make it a great day. Ask me why.